Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We divide both sides by x squared plus 2 and y squared plus 1. And we have like this. Next, I will put this one go to the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Next, the integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of x squared plus 2. Because if I do first the derivative of this one, they will be back to x over x squared plus 2. Now this one, we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of y squared plus 1. And I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.